Now I'm going to show you how to insert the button. Now you need to insert a button. What I have done already, I came up here with my needle threaded. So then I've put 1 2 3 4 5 6 bead, and then 1 6mm bead and 3 3mm bead. So ladies and gentlemen, I need you to watch me carefully. What I've done. So I'm coming back with the nickel. I'm gonna cover this 6mm bead, so using my 3mm plastic beads. So then I'm going to cover, I'm gonna put 4 4 4 till I cover it. 4 3mm beads going through to the 6mm beads. I'm going to fill up all this till there will be no space. So I have covered my bead, so I went all over with using 4 beads, 4 beads, 4 beads, and I've done 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I went 9 times. So then now I'm picking one bead, I'm going back. Now I'm going back. Those are the things that used to happen. So sometimes if you worried about this space, what you can do, you can pick 3 beads and close gaps like this. Because it's showing the 6mm bead that I've been using. Alright, then now I'm going to pick my 6 white beads, going through 3 beads, okay, like so. This is how it is. Then I want to make another one. Okay, I'm going to pick my 6 white beads and 1 6mm and cover it again. Okay, the reason why I'm using this gold 6mm, I'm doing it for the video, but you must use the white one. Covering the second one with you. can see, can count how many times. I've already done 4 times. My 5th, 6th time, 6th time, 7th, 8th. Okay, now I'm going to fill up these gaps. I'll pick 3. So I don't have any gap to fill now. I'm picking 1. I'm going through here. So now I'm going to pick 6 beads. Going through here. Okay, I'm tying somewhere here. Okay, going through, tying, through once more, and out. Then I'll cut. Okay, that's it. Okay, for this side you must make sure that you're doing it correctly, because this is how my necklace is gonna hang on the neck. So then I have to make sure that it's hung, it's in the right position. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert my 6 beads. Then I had my 6 beads, then I put 19 beads. All together is coming to 25. So I'm leaving 2, 4, 6. I'm going through to number 7. I'm going through to number 7. So then I am going to pick 6 beads. I've got my 6 beads going through here, 3 beads, and 3 beads back, three beads, and 3 beads back. Then I'm going to pick my other 25 beads, because this is gonna go through here. leaving 2, 4, 6, going through to number 7, then I'm going to pick 6 beads. I've got my 6 beads now. I'm going through 3 beads, 3 beads back, then I'm tying a knot here, after tying a knot I go 3, I come back 3, I tie my second knot, I go through last time, okay, now I'm going to cut it the other side. Okay, now I am done. This is how I'm going to fasten my work. Okay, that's how it is. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for staying with Nelakahle Art and Craft. You can follow us on WhatsApp, you can follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, just hashtag Nelakahle, so you will find us everywhere.